Hello everyone, my name is Rashi Goel. I'm the co-founder of the Unicorn People, an HR consultant and an employability coach. We bring to you a series of career-related resources in association with Enactus Gargi. Our collaboration is an effort to enhance the resources available on their website to cater to the wider audience. Enactus is an international not-for-profit organization that is dedicated towards inspiring students to take entrepreneurial action and improve the life of others. Enactus Gargi is the social entrepreneurship society of Gargi College, University of Delhi. Project Vikas, an initiative of Enactus Gargi, aims to create a one-stop portal harboring information related to new industry trends, internship opportunities, and job openings catering to young adults. As an employability coach, I work with students and professionals to achieve their career goals, and the first step towards any job application is a resume or a CV. A lot of people ask me this question: is there a difference between a CV and a resume, or are these terms mean the same? Now, these terms are often used interchangeably. However, there are a few differences, namely being in terms of their content, the size, and the purpose that they're used for. A CV is a short for curriculum vitae, which is a more comprehensive document that highlights your work, your academic qualifications, and all your other achievements. In contrast to a CV, a resume is a summary of your work experience, your key skills, and job-related qualifications. So a CV covers more details. It covers details about your educational background, your work experiences, your achievements, which include but are not restricted to your rewards and recognitions, the projects that you worked on, research papers, patents, or any publications that you might have. A CV, however, talks about more specific information that is related to the job that you're applying for. A resume provides you the flexibility to only include the most important information and not distract the reader or a recruiter with excessive details. It showcases your proficiency for the role and highlights the most relevant skills. While a CV covers all the information, it has a tendency to run into several pages, and there is no limit to the number of pages in a CV. However, a resume is limited to a 1 or a 2-page document. A CV also follows a chronological order, that is, it comes in the order of the event that happened. However, in a resume, you are open to using 3 different formats. The chronological format, the functional format, or the combination format. We will talk about this more in our upcoming videos. So CV is a detailed document and is mostly used for academic or research-based role. And for everything else, a resume works perfectly fine. If we talk in the current global context, we need to be also aware of how are these terms used in their geographical regions. If you look at USA, Canada, and also South Asian countries, the definitions that I just shared hold relevant. However, in countries in the Europe, in New Zealand, or in Australia, there is no such thing called a CV. There's no such thing called a resume. The CV is an equivalent to a resume. Also, in South Asian countries like India and Bangladesh, we have a slight variant of a resume, often referred to as a biodata. Now, a biodata contains more personal information such as your date of birth, your marital status, your religion, your ethnicity, etc. However, in today's day and age, we do not advise using a biodata for job application purposes. If you're not sure in case you should share a resume or a CV for any job opportunity, it's always better to check with the recruiter for more information about the required document. In case that is not possible, I would suggest that resume is a better bet. Always go ahead with that. Hope this video was helpful for you. Share with us your feedback in the comment section and let us know what you would like us to share in our upcoming videos. For more of such videos, click on the link in the description box. Thank you.